Mr. Bean, with his usual zany antics and knack for turning the simplest tasks into grand adventures, was having one of those days where everything went wrong, yet hilariously right. He had just bought his first smartphone but had no clue how to use it. In his tiny flat, surrounded by manuals and packaging, Mr. Bean poked and prodded the device as if it was an alien artifact. First, he tried using his nose to unlock it. Maybe it recognized nasal patterns? Nope. Then, with the phone upside down, he attempted to call his friend Teddy. Naturally, Teddy was a stuffed bear and not much of a conversationalist. Bean spent an inordinate amount of time yelling, "Hello, hello," into the wrong end of the phone. His patience eventually wore thin, so he tried to take a selfie. After numerous frames featuring only his forehead, Mr. Bean finally captured a perfect photo of his half-eaten sandwich. Frustrated but undeterred, he decided to download an app. The app's description promised to simplify his life, which sounded perfect until he accidentally installed 12 dating apps instead. Now, Mr. Bean was bombarded with notifications from people who found his selfie sandwich utterly charming. Bean, blissfully unaware of modern dating etiquette, tried to engage everyone in conversations about the merits of marmalade. Just as things couldn't get stranger, Bean pressed a wrong button and inadvertently started a live stream. Hundreds tuned in to watch him gleefully try to assemble a flat-pack wardrobe with nothing but a spoon and sheer determination. The viewers, initially baffled, soon found themselves captivated by his peculiar methods and inventiveness. Comments flooded in. "This guy is a genius. Who needs a manual?" Even IKEA was taking notes. In the end, Mr. Bean, covered in sawdust and victorious, waved at his new crowd of fans. Clueless yet triumphant, he had turned a simple task into a viral spectacle. Who knew that a day with modern technology could be so complicated, yet so delightfully entertaining?